If you feel tired all the time, even after sleeping well, I want you to hear this. Maybe it's not a sleep problem, maybe it's digestion. Many people who feel constantly tired try to fix it with quick solutions. They take energy supplements, drink more coffee, or rely on stimulants just to get through the day. But the fatigue often keeps returning. In Ayurveda, this type of fatigue is often connected to two things: Ama and Kapha imbalance. Two culprits show up again and again: Ama-Kapha imbalance. Ama refers to toxic metabolic waste that forms when digestion is not working properly. You can think of Ama as somewhat similar to free radicals or inflammatory waste products that the body has not been able to clear efficiently. When digestion is strong, food is transformed into clean energy and nourishment for the body. But when digestion becomes weak, food is not fully processed. Instead, it creates Ama, a heavy, sticky, metabolic residue that circulates through the body and slows many functions. At the same time, Kapha, which represents heaviness and stagnation in the body, may increase. When Ama and excess Kapha combine, people often experience fatigue, brain fog, heaviness, and low motivation. Ayurveda also describes something very important called Ojas. Ojas is the body's deepest reserve of vitality, immunity, and resilience. It is the refined essence produced when digestion, metabolism, and tissues are functioning properly. Strong Ojas supports stable energy, strong immunity, mental clarity, and emotional balance. But when Ama accumulates and Kapha becomes disturbed, Ojas can gradually become depleted, and the body begins to feel constantly tired. If you want to understand whether your fatigue is coming from Kapha imbalance, Ama accumulation, or low Ojas, the best way is through a detailed Ayurveda consultation, where we assess digestion, metabolism, lifestyle, and body patterns in depth. Once the root cause is understood, the right steps can be taken to restore balance and bring back natural, sustainable energy. So how do you know what's really going on? Digestion, appetite, elimination, cravings, energy curve, sleep, skin, tongue, daily rhythm. It's about patterns, not just symptoms. Here's the myth to bust. You don't need more stimulation. You need better transformation. Support digestion first. Favor warm, lightly spiced meals that are easy to digest. Sip hot water, ginger, cumin, coriander, fennel. Sip ginger, cumin, coriander, fennel tea through the day. Eat your biggest meal midday when digestion is strongest. Leave 3 to 4 hours between meals. Avoid constant grazing. Move daily, brisk walk, light sweat. Wind down early. Consistent sleep supports Ojas. Notice how your mind clears when your gut calms. Energy returns when what you eat actually becomes you. If you want a tailored plan, get assessed. Digestion type, lifestyle, and routines matter. When you remove Ama, balance Kapha, and rebuild Ojas, energy stops being borrowed and starts being yours. If you're tired of being tired, don't just add more coffee. Strengthen your digestion. Protect your Ojas. That's the path back to natural, sustainable energy. Let's get your energy working for you, not against you.